Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can safely clear your all cache on your phone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. Open your setting and here go to apps and you can randomly select any apps to clear cache. So I'm going to select YouTube and here you can see the storage. Now you can clear cache from here to clear cache. So that's where you can manually clear your cache in your smartphone on your Android. So I'm going to select clear cache. So it's clear my cache. So if you want to optimize your phone and free up some space automatically, then go to your device care. You need to find storage in your smartphone. Here, click on optimize now. So you can see my storage right now. Now click on done. So it's optimized my smartphone. If you want to clean up some storage, then tap on this and here you can see my unused app and my trash and large file. If you want to clean up your trash, then you can select this and click on empty. So you can see there are no trash left. So I'm going to click on duplicate file. You can select any duplicate file and click on delete. You can also select large file and you can also delete this to clean up your storage, but I'm happy with that. Now you can see my storage is 54.5%. So that's how you can automatically and manually clear cache on your smartphone. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.